Good day guys, it's Oni and Peter behind the camera. Together we are two hungry diners. Super happy today because we are starting out a brand new series in our YouTube channel. It's called Exploring Melbourne Suburbs with two hungry diners. And for our first ever episode of this series, we are exploring Balaclava. This is a inner suburb 70 kilometers south from Melbourne CBD, and I think it's very well known for their Jewish community in here. So yeah, there are a lot of food options as well. We are currently on Carlisle Street, and yeah, we're gonna explore some of the cafe options, restaurants, maybe some, I don't know, shops or landmarks maybe. So yeah, we're gonna maybe this style of the video is gonna be like maybe just wing it. We just wanna see what's available on this area. We didn't do like much research because we just want to, you know, absorb the vibe of this suburb. Yeah, and then find out what's interesting in this area. Let's go. Let's follow us along. Alright, first thing first, we're gonna grab some coffee and maybe some pastries for breakfast. It's very cold in the morning, and yeah, of course, we need some hot beverages. Okay, there's not many pastry options left because honestly, we arrived here quite late, but we still got some interesting I don't know, like takeaway pastries, mini size. We also got some kind of tart, which is the raspberry and pistachio. To accompany our pastry, we're gonna grab a coffee from a popular coffee shop called Monk Bodhidharma. Let's go. Oh wow, this is pretty random. First time here at the Monk Bodhidharma Cafe or coffee shop. I didn't know like it's located on the parking slot like that. While waiting for the coffee, I'm gonna try this raspberry and pistachio friend or some kind of tart. Yeah, let's try it. Oh, inside is very soft. It's more like a cake to me, and with the tart shell on the outside. Yeah, pretty nice. Not overly sweet. I think this is very nice when we eat this with coffee. Yeah, not bad, right? Not heavy. I think this is still perfect for breakfast. I thought it's gonna be for dessert, but no.
Yeah.
Very light.
Like it, I like it. Okay, we ordered the cappuccino. This is with full cream milk. Let's try. Typical coffee in Melbourne. You can't go wrong with the taste. Liking it. This cafe here is super small, and we unfortunately cannot get any footage inside because the space is very tight, it's super tight. But maybe one day we'll come back and try the food. But for now, yeah, the coffee is good. We'll go to another place. Let's go. Alright guys, it's almost lunchtime. We actually made a reservations at one of the restaurants here in Balaclava. It's I think it's 7 menu, like degustations, and yeah, very excited. We got a good deal, and let's explore with us because I think this restaurant is highly rated here. Let's go. Overall, the food here at Tulum was exceptional, and the price we paid for the degustation menu was so worth it, and it represents a good value. While we are not too familiar with Turkish food, we can say that every meal through the 7-course offering took us to experience different textures and flavors of Turkish cuisine. Some of the highlights were the bread and date butter, which we really liked a lot. The date butter was brilliant. It was super smooth and the sweetness from the dates really comes through. Spiced lamb semolina kibe was also very tasty. Even though I am not a big lamb eater, I enjoy this dish through and through. The flavor was spot on and left me wanting for more. The restaurant also catered for Oni as she doesn't eat lamb. The replacement dish, vegetarian stuffed eggplant with tomato and onion in spiced olive oil, was very tasty too, and she didn't feel like missing out.
Oh, I love eggplant.
Lastly, the dessert. The chicken and milk dessert pudding, which was showcased on MasterChef Australia Season 12 last year, was awesome. Some might find it weird, but we truly enjoyed this dessert. We loved the playful take on the savory notes into the sweet dessert. Very creative. Perhaps one small downside was the service felt a bit rushed. Nonetheless, the service itself was pretty good. That was Tulum, right?
Yeah.
For the price we pay, I think the food was amazing.
Yeah, we got a special price. 15% off for the folk festival if you book via the app.
Yeah. So yeah, that was it. I mean, the food was amazing and really like it. The portion is
yeah, it's more than Turkish, by the way. Yeah.
Anyway, that's it. We're gonna go, explore the area more and show you guys around.
For your coffee alternative, this is a good cafe to choose. Wall 280. They also serve a very nice sandwich, I think. Yeah, next time.
Oh guys, unfortunately they're closed. I think we are late. Look at this. This is like a coffee heaven, right? Like you can choose the coffee bean, and I think they roast it for you, or this is roasted.
Yeah. I think that's roasted.
Yeah, you can choose a lot of stuff here. Oh, even some have coffee beans from Indonesia.
Oh.
Sulawesi, Costa Rica, Sulawesi. Guys, this restaurant here is very popular. This is Taiwanese restaurant, and yeah, we used to have like Taiwanese restaurant near our place, but it's closed down. So we always love Taiwanese, and this boxy meal is looking interesting. $16, you get like rice, egg, pork mince, and your choice of protein. Very cheap. Oh, we might try this next time. The shop behind me is called Ziggy's Eatery. So this one is burger shop, and it has a very good rating on Google. Burger shop. Maybe not today, we'll try it next time.
Oh, it's so cold and it's now raining. Not a good time to vlog, but yeah, so far so much fun here. There are things to do, but unfortunately some of the shops are closed because, as I mentioned before, Balaclava is known for the Jewish community, and Saturday is their Sabbath day, so they don't actually work on Saturday. So we noticed some of the Jewish businesses are closed actually on Saturday.
But we saw a lot of like interesting and old kind of historic building, such as this one.
Yeah.
And the one across us, and there's another one as well.
Alright, I think we have enough exploring this suburb, Balaclava. I mean, we only explore the main strip, right, with many shops and restaurants and cafes. So I think this is gonna be our last place to visit. This is the Levanter Cafe, which specializes in Syrian things, baked goods, cakes, coffee as well. Yeah, let's try it. Oh, I think this is such a nice find from us today. This Syrian cafe also serve very exotic coffee I've never heard. I think the owner said this is maybe the only one in Melbourne, the pistachio coffee. Smells super nice. You can actually smell pistachio, and it serves with the Turkish delight. Presentation 10 out of 10. I hope it tastes good as well. The cup, very traditional, I think. There's pieces of pistachio here. Ooh, that is so nice. It's more like a dessert, like the owner said. If you love vegan milk, like oat milk, soy milk, almond milk, this is maybe pistachio milk. But this is not vegan. Pretty sure this is not vegan. This is using normal milk with pistachio beans.
Syrian coffee. Wow. Smells amazing. Oh, very aromatic, and wow, it's quite complex. A lot of spices in a coffee. That sounds weird, but yeah, I mean, yeah, like it. This is really nice, guys. You can taste the cashew, and you know that the layer of the baklava itself is very crunchy, and yeah, $8, big portion, good for sharing, and I like it actually. And yeah, you can order the coffee, which is gonna pair nicely with the baklava. Recommended. Alright guys, that's the end of our video today, and yes, we are exploring Melbourne suburb, and this suburb is called Balaclava. And yes, we kind of like really enjoy this suburb. It's pretty much similar to our neighborhood where we live in, but unfortunately today I think we visit on the wrong day, because it's Saturday. A lot of shops are closed today, but regardless, there are some businesses still open, you know, restaurant, cafes. Yeah, we'll come back, I think, on other day, maybe Sunday. It will be perfect. I think a lot of shop opens, then there are a lot of more options. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until then, stay foolish, stay hungry. Bye.